In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your HUD layout here in Fortnite. This is super simple to do, so we're going to dive straight into this, but before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But obviously in Fortnite, you kind of know the standard HUD. Your health is in the bottom left, your weapons and ammo are going to be in the bottom right, the map's up in the top right, and all the other gameplay elements are on your screen. But if you actually want to change how your HUD looks, whether it's, resizing it or hiding certain elements, what you're going to want to do is go up to the top right corner of your screen, select on your profile icon, and then select the settings gear just like so. And from here, go ahead and go to the Game UI tab up at the very top. It's going to be the fifth one. From here, scroll down, and what you're looking for is this HUD options section right here. And if you do want to adjust the scale, go ahead and adjust it right here. I keep mine around 6'9", 6'7"-ish, but 100% is going to make everything a lot bigger, for example. But right below that, you're going to see all the different HUD elements. For example, you're going to have that mini map. You're going to have, your resources, quick bar, target info, all that kind of stuff, and so much more. If I disable some of those, and if you disable some of those and then you hit apply, they're going to instantly disappear from the screen. For example, you could turn off your minimap to remove it completely. I would obviously not recommend doing that, since how are you going to see the storm? But it definitely is worth switching things up a little bit and maybe resizing them to customize your HUD however you would like. But yeah, if you did find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.